Boaz.
Huh?
Are you gonna have pork chop?
Yeah.
Menard, come on, have a seat too.
Eat. You put the roast some marshmallows.
Are you gonna have pork chop or sausage or both?
I'm having both.
Okay.
This is a sausage. Two pieces? Oh, Mommy, can I have a fork? I'm gonna use a knife to cut the sausage.
Should have bought more sausages. No, I should have realized our monsters are big eaters.
All that
Now,
pork
please.
chop.
This, please. I need knives. Can I cut my sausage? I'm gonna get one. Can I just get one?
We got pork chop,
Can I
Korean gatnip, soy paste, kimchi, marinated.
Pop them on
Gatnip.
the floor.
You can eat it. That's okay.
Can I do the next one?
Pork chop is almost ready.
Not putting my head.
It's being cooked with the smokes. You know how Koreans eat. You put the gatnip and meat and what's that leaf called?
Gatnip. Peril-la leaf. In English.
And put the soy paste and put kimchi.
I'll show you how to eat.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Good.